G'day YouTubers, welcome back to the channel. Once again it's time to get off the beaten track in central Laos. With this video I'm going to be getting on board this tractor here with this team of guys from a remote local village, and very shortly we'll be heading up that trail there to a cave which is around about 5 kilometres away. That's it. Well, we're getting underway now. Alright, as you can see, it's a bit of a bumpy road. I've been told it's going to take at least an hour to get to where we're going to, so basically I'm going to sit back and just put up with it. Okay, I've jumped off the tractor. This is the most difficult part of the trail. As you can see, it's pretty rocky, that's for sure. I'm a bit puffed coming up that hill, but as you can see, that's a pretty rugged part of the trail. I don't think there's any other way to get here except with this type of vehicle I got. Alright, this is getting seriously off the beaten track. Branched off that main trail, and this is the track to the cave entrance. As you can see, it's pretty rough going, for sure. Alright, according to those local guides, it was about 5 kilometres from the village we started from to the cave entrance, which, as far as I've been told, is just over there beyond those where those farmers are sitting. Okay, in this area of Laos, the main crop is tapioca. There's a bunch of it drying out over there. We've got some local farmers here. They're bagging it up. And that's a little dugout over there. Shady spot. They can rest up. Alright, we're all set. I'm just walking along the side of the river now to the cave entrance. Pretty big team here, just for me, the only paying customer. I've got Ola, the Green Discovery Guide, his brother-in-law, and 2 local guides. It was a bit of a slog getting down here on that tractor, but apparently this is a very good cave, so it'll be well worth the effort. Alright, this is one of the caves. There's actually a river cave which feeds the village we started out from. According to all of this river goes down to a sinkhole further along the cliff face there, and then it comes out a couple of kilometres further down in front of the main village. As you can see, this is quite a scenic spot. Another river cave in Laos, and the water is beautiful and clean. It's probably a good spot for a swim. Obviously the water is clean enough to drink. Okay, that's it. We've got ourselves all sorted out, all our lights, helmets, and we're heading towards the entrance of KAI MOOK Cave. A little bit of a squeezy spot there. Alright, there it is, the entrance of KAI MOOK Cave, and we're heading down a side passage. Okay, we're in KAI MOOK Cave in Khammai province. I've been told it's quite a beautiful cave. There's a lot of really impressive formations in here. As you can see, we've got a pretty good team coming in here. A lot of hangers-on from the village. Anyway, we'll get on with it and see what we get. Alright, from what I can see so far, this is a fairly easy cave tour. It's at the moment a dry river passage, flat going, and it looks pretty good. Alright, there's some very nice formations in here. Alright, for anybody that's interested in coming here, just be aware that this cave site's not actually developed yet. You actually need to get permits to come here. Although Ola, because he knows the village people very well, he can organise independent tours. So in the descriptions box there will be a contact number or details for Kun Ola there. Alright, we've got Ola heading up the centre of the formations area there. As you can see, they're quite an impressive size. Alright, this is a pretty awesome cave, to be honest. A lot of really good formations in here. Okay, this is a full column, which is actually the joining of a stalactite and a stalagmite together. And this one's around about 10 metres in height. Alright, we've got some really nice rim pools here, silica encrusted, and then just looking up to a nice flowstone there. Well, this is a really nice feature. You've got a size comparison there with Ola. That's a really impressive flowstone there with rim pools. Alright, here we are at the upstream entrance, and according to the local guides there's another small passageway around to the right that we'll go and have a look at. Okay, we've got some nice drapery formations here. Alright, we've got a gate-like set of formations here, and that apparently is the way to the upstream exit. Okay, according to our local guide, this is actually the upstream exit, or one you can actually walk out of. Okay, we've had a drinks break, and we're going to head back into the cave. We can have a look at another side passage. Alright, had a bit of a long break there. I had an issue with the video camera. Took about 15 minutes to sort out, but We're back on the trail again, and we're heading down to what's called the Blackstone Passage. Alright, we're heading back into the cave again. We're looking at the Blackstone Passage. Okay, that's it then. We're out of the Blackstone Passage and back to the main passageway of the cave. That was a pretty good side excursion. Okay, well that pretty much wraps it up. That's our tour of KAI MOOC Cave done. We've been in here about 2 hours. It was pretty good. Bit of a rough road to get up here, but well worth the effort. So if you enjoyed the video, please hit the like button, and don't forget to subscribe to see my upcoming caving adventures around Southeast Asia. That's it for now. We'll see you on the next one.